7 Signs of Good Web Design. Good web design draws people in and keeps them on your page, giving you the opportunity to explain your product or service and convert them into a customer. There are some common factors that really separate the good from the great. 1. The design is responsive. Responsive design is one of the most important aspects of good web design. It means that the site will adjust to any device like mobile phones, tablets, desktops, and laptops. 2. The site is easy to navigate. Good web design is essential to a good user experience. It's important that the site be easy to navigate, which means having a well-organized menu and other features. 3. The layout is easy on the eyes. When choosing a website layout, it's important to make sure that the design is easy on the eyes. A cluttered or disorganized web page can cause visitors to lose interest and leave quickly. 4. The site loads quickly. The site should load quickly. If you have a lot of graphics, the site may take a bit longer to load. Try to optimize your site to load quickly. 5. The design is unique. The design of the website should be unique and reflect the message or values of the company. 6. The call to action. A call to action, or CTA, is a graphic design element in your web design that prompts users to take a desired action. 7. The site is mobile friendly. The most important thing a web designer can do for the user experience is to ensure that their site is mobile friendly. A lot of people use their phones to surf the internet, so it's important that your website is easy and intuitive to navigate on a smaller screen. If you want a website with all mentioned signs, contact us now.